Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, today I will I will do some, let's say, pecha kucha presentation about the amazing of Japan. So today I will uh, explain about Japan, one of my favorite country and the most, let's say, the most perfect country that I ever go to there. The first is Japan mainland is divided into four: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Uh, Hokkaido is in the up, and if you ask where is Tokyo, Tokyo is in Honshu land. So this is the four biggest mainland in Japan. Next is Japan major city. There is four most famous city: Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. If you want feel the busy city, you can go to Tokyo. If you wanna feel the experience of Edo era of Japanese, you can go to Kyoto. If you wanna food hunting, the unique food hunting, you can go to Osaka, especially Osaka Fish Market. It's so good, guys. Next, little bit Japanese histories. So Japan is famous with his samurai and ninja. More in the Edo era, and one of the historical symbol in Japan is the Himeji Castle in Kyoto. This is the castle or house for the Caesar in before Edo era. I forgot what the era. And next is colonialism in World War II. Yeah, Japan is uh, like Indonesia is the colonial of Japan, guys. Next is Japan government system is constitutional monarchy. It's let's say same as England. So they have king, or in case in Japan is Caesar, and they have like the prime ministry for doing diplomation and the country order. And the next is one of my favorite, let's say, apart from Japan, is the tokusatsu. If you know, like Ultraman, Super Sentai, or Kamen Rider, that's all from Japan. And this is why I love Japan. At the first, because I watching like Ultraman, Super Sentai, and Kamen Rider. So that's one reason why I love Japan, because the tokusatsu. Next is Japanese culture. Actually, there is a lot of Japanese culture, but in this presentation, I will take the tea tradition, or in the Japanese say is chado or sando. So this is tradition we drink ocha or green tea, or let's say matcha, in tatami mat, and with some conversation like deep talk like that, guys. Next is Japanese festival. Same like before, actually, Japanese have a lot of festival, especially in winter and in summer. But in this slide, I have Sapporo Snow Festival in around January, February in Sapporo, Hokkaido. I got some stories from my friend in Japan. This is one of the biggest Japanese snow festival beside Tokyo and Osaka. And the next is Japan technology. Actually, Japan have a lot of innovation and technology, but the most famous one is the Shinkansen, or the bullet train, the fast train. That's like motivate like Indonesia to make whoosh, and others a country to make bullet train or speed train. Let's say like the high speed train. Next, Japanese transportation. Actually, Japanese has a lot of transportation like bus, train, subway, even like Shinkansen. But the most complicated route in subway route in the world is in Japan. You have a lot of line, a lot of destination, and actually Japan is the most country with complicated subway line. And then if you just read the map, you will like uh let's say complicated to read the map. Next, Japanese film. This is like two of the most famous Japanese film in Japan and in the worldwide. The first is High and Low, and the next is Crow series. If you know like Takia Genji or Tamao Serizawa or Rindaman, that's from Crow series. And me is watching Crow series and reading the comic. And High and Low, this is of the one of the famous film in Japan and worldwide because the stories and the action is very good. Next is Japan anime, lot of, but here's some my favorite: Naruto, One Piece, One Punch Man, and Bleach. Actually, I do not watch Bleach, but this is my father favorite. Next is Japanese education. So, Japan from me is the most country with good education, I think, because the facility and the campus or college, it's lot of in there. Like Tokyo University of Tokyo, Waseda University, Keio University, Chiba, Tohoku, Kyoto, Osaka University, so lot guys. So and in Japan, if you wanna learn something that's not in the good lesson is not in one campus. Example, if you want to learn engineering, you can go to Tohoku University because in Tohoku University is like a university especially for engineering. If you want to learn like historical or like education, you can go to Tokyo. And if you want to learn like math, physics, or biology, you can go to Waseda or Keio like that. Next, here's my favorite part: Japanese cuisine. So Japan has a lot of uh, food that very delicious, like sushi, ramen, udon, curry, miso, and tempura. So if you know like Gokana ramen or Marugame udon, that's Japanese type food. And Japanese dessert is a lot of too. Uh, my personal favorite is melon pan. It's like a bread, but the taste like melon, and in the top of there is some sugar. But most famous dessert I think is mochi and dango. Mochi is like you know lah mochi, and dango is mochi but is more smaller. Next, Japanese beverage. This is some Japanese most famous beverage like ramune, matcha, kalpis, amazake. Ramune is like fermented rice water that if you drink, it's like let's say Pocari Sweat. The taste like Pocari Sweat. And matcha, who doesn't know matcha? The most famous tea in the world. And Calpis is one of the drink brand that it's like for milk or for fruit juice and others. Next, Japan street food. This is my personal favorite: takoyaki, okonomiyaki, yakitori, and gyoza. And if you wanna go to Japanese street food market that in Tokyo, in Kabukicho, or in Kyoto, or in Osaka, like that. Next is Japanese sport. Japanese most traditional sport is sumo. So like the sumo battle you can watch in Japan. When I went to Japan last time, I watched sumo fighting. For me, it's boring because it's not like boxing, not uh, f- not punch and then punch again. It's like if you know judo, sumo is more like judo. Next is Japanese toilet. This is one my culture shock when I go to Japan. Is the toilet is very high technology. Why? Because when I doing that thing, I cannot wash. Yeah, and then you must use some button to do that thing. And then if you see in the picture, this is Japanese newest innovation in technology in toilet. This is transparent toilet. This is using electrical to make it transparent. But if you lock from the inside, the toilet will blur. So let's use electrical things in here. And fun fact, Japanese have a special ministry for the toilet like that. Next, Japan fashion. Actually, a lot of style in Japan like Harajuku or Kabukicho style, but I prefer this style, Japanese Americana style. This style it's when America invaded Japan, and Japanese people see that American people love to use like denim and jacket, so they combine with their culture. So Japanese Americana, like that, like from the name. Usually the style is you can use raw denim, outer or work jacket, and then use the shirt. Next is Japan cars. If you know JDM or Japan Domestic Market, they lot they have a lot of very beautiful cars like Mazda RX-7, Mitsubishi Lancer, or GTR, this is RX-7, and Toyota NSX. And what and this is one of the reason why I love Japan, because when I was a kid, I watched Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, and when I watch it, I very love the cars, especially the Toyota Nissan Skyline, Nissan Silvia 15. And maybe that's all from my Pecha Kucha presentation. Hope you guys uh, enjoy my presentation. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.